Everyone needs to be aware of what respect in the workplace means. Workplaces are more productive and healthy in an environment free from bullying and harassment. This talk covers legal and contractual rights and responsibilities covering dignity in the workplace and will raise awareness of the issues that can affect good working relationships. What does respect mean? Respect is ensuring your behaviour towards teams, colleagues, clients or contractors is appropriate and does not cause offence. It is about treating people how you would expect to be treated and maintaining an environment where individual differences are respected. Most companies will have a policy setting out these standards of behaviour and will link them to their discipline and grievance procedures. Some are referred to as dignity and respect, others may be known as anti-bullying and harassment policies. What are harassment and bullying? Harassment is unwanted conduct affecting the dignity of men and women, any actions or comments that are viewed as demeaning and unacceptable to the recipient. Bullying is the deliberate action or behaviour directed towards another person that has the effect of causing pain and distress to that person. Bullying or harassment can take many forms. It may be a one-to-one situation or involve groups of people. Whatever the form of harassment, it will be unwanted behaviour that is unwelcome and unpleasant. Harassment and the Equality Act. Protected characteristics. Harassment is unlawful under the Equality Act and applies to the protected characteristics age, disability, gender reassignment, race, religion or belief, sex and sexual orientation. Harassment complaints related to these characteristics can be heard at an employment tribunal, and any that are upheld can lead to the individual being held personally liable as well as the company. Most company anti-bullying and harassment policies apply to any form of harassment, whether related to a protected characteristic or not, and penalties for any breaches of the policy can be imposed internally through the company's disciplinary procedures. The Equality Act allows employees to complain of behaviour that they find offensive, even if it is not directed at them, and the complainant need not possess the relevant protected characteristics themselves. Sexual harassment is one of the most common forms of harassment and is specifically outlawed by the Equality Act. Employees are also protected from harassment because of perception, if others think someone possesses a particular protective characteristic, and association, if they are associated with someone who has a protective characteristic, such as a family member or friend.